Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious roast beef in your oven. First, select a quality cut such as top round, sirloin, or ribeye for the best flavor and texture. Pat the roast completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, crispy crust. Then, season it generously with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer. Finally, let the roast sit at room temperature for about 1 hour before cooking. Next, sear the roast in a very hot, oven-safe pan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it develops a deep brown crust. This step locks in the juices and adds incredible flavor. Immediately transfer the pan to a preheated oven set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, reduce the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting, using a reliable meat thermometer to track the internal temperature. Knowing your desired doneness is key to perfect roast beef. For a rare roast, remove it from the oven when the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. For medium rare, aim for 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and for medium, target 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the temperature will rise a few degrees while resting. This crucial resting period of 15 to 20 minutes allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your magnificent roast beef. Always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender and easy to chew. Use a very sharp carving knife to achieve clean, uniform slices. Drizzle with the delicious pan drippings or a rich homemade gravy. Serve alongside your favorite accompaniments, like creamy mashed potatoes or perfectly roasted seasonal vegetables, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.